Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Unlock the secrets of NLP to become a master of persuasion. Includes 7 breaking strategies to build trust with anyone you meet, and how to speak to create a desired effect. Written by Jane Moss. Narrated by Rolf Daves. Credits narrated by Nebrada.
Introduction. You will find many NLP models that will help you in every aspect of your life and career. The approach you will find is practical. You will see results, and it is growing in influence in many different disciplines. Since NLP is constantly growing and evolving, and this book is static, it will only take a snapshot of NLP. Even though things may be different tomorrow, it doesn't mean that the practices in this book won't be helpful. You should view this information as a stepping stone. It is giving you a chance to explore a new area and to keep your life exciting. This book is meant for the beginner to easily understand what to do without confusion. NLP is a state of mind and a way of being. NLP is something practical that has to be done. While reading about it, it will teach you a lot. You have to actively practice it and reap the benefits. You'll find sets of models, techniques, and skills that will change the way you act and think. This is meant to be useful and to improve your life. You have to find out what works by doing it. Then you can figure out what didn't work and then work with that until you're able to make it work. This is the great thing about NLP. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Introduction to NLP. A person's behavior is based on specific structures. With NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming, the best way that people act, speak, and think is examining with models. Richard Bandler has patterned these models. In the beginning, he patterned his work after characters like Virginia Stair, Fritz Perls, and Milton Erickson, who were seen to have amazing behavioral and linguistic abilities. Your own experiences are the main uses of the NLP system. There's no way to learn NLP through sequential steps and techniques. However, programmers become skilled at using methods to change how the brain functions and perceives. Its goal is to create a good foundation of attitude and skill so that they can produce new techniques and approach to self-preserve. You aren't going to be able to only depend on steps and techniques that are taught to you. You're going to learn how to create new steps so that you can continually achieve success. It works as an investigation of knowledge that will use different stages of human attitude and development, as well as thought formation. It's going to give you effective tools and strategies that will define who you are, the role that you play, and your ideal state of success. While the initial state begins with you, the process will involve all of those around you and the environment to create the best mindset. The purpose behind NLP is to work as a toolbox of thoughts, skills, and attitudes. The models will become patterns through which your habits will change and be redefined. When you're planning on using NPL, you are aiming for personal development and success. NLP can also make you successful. Whether you're faced with problems in your family, work, or leisure, NLP will give you the ability to alter your outlook and view towards the world. You'll start to notice the important meaning of life and what priorities are important in your life. Once you're able to find your strong and weak areas, you'll be able to focus on what will make you successful and efficient. NLP will also improve communication. Positive thinking is able to be changed into words, and you'll end up becoming more verbally competent when you learn how to change your thoughts and emotions and the way that you share perspectives, as well as how you communicate with others. Communicating is an amazing method that will give you a better influence
Sample complete. Ready to continue?